This 4-bedroom/3.5 bath open floor plan home features a large kitchen with white cabinets, oversized island, and stainless steel appliances. Spacious GR west/gas fireplace and built-in cabinets. 2-story foyer, formal dining room and study west/large closet and French doors. Master suite with tray ceiling, his and her WICs and spacious master bath west/a vaulted ceiling, separate dual vanities, jacuzzi tub and shower. Second floor can be accessed by one of 2 staircases and features a large loft area, 2 bedrooms west/Jack and Jill bath and a 4th bedroom west/private full bath and walk-in closet. Finished 3rd floor is the perfect space for a billiards room, playroom, media room or man cave and has 3 unfinished storage areas. Gorgeous green porch overlooks a stone patio and flat backyard west/lush landscaping. 3-car garage. New roof 2009, gutter guards 2011, air conditioner units